Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Mind. My name is Hassan Khurram, and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau, a data visualization tool as well. I produce tutorials on data science and data analysis, so I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon button. So in today's Tableau tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can actually play around with filter slider. So I'm going to teach you how you can actually create a slider, a filter that will actually help you choose specific value based on some measured quantity. So basically we are going to solve a problem, and the problem that you're going to solve is this problem. We need to create a tabular view with two columns. The first column will be a subcategory, which will be again a categorical data, a column where we have string values in it. Then we have a sales column, which is a measured quantity. That means that it has numeric values in it. Okay, but we need to do some additional play around with this worksheet. Is such that we need to provide an option to users to select a range of values on a slider to filter the tabular view of subcategories. It means that based on the slider value from the maximum and the minimum, the subcategories that will be displayed on the worksheet will change. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to teach you right now. So it's quite easy. So basically what are we going to do? We are going to create a filter that will actually allow us to create a slider, and based on those specific values of the slider, or the minimum value or the maximum value, we are able to filter specific values of subcategories where the criteria is set by average values of sales. So I will teach you how you can do that easily. So first of all, we are going to pick sales from measures and drop it on filter. Here will ask you what kind of filter you want to create. So in our case, we are going to create an average filter. So click on average, click next. Then it will ask you what kind of filter you want to create. So in our case, we are interested in creating the range filter, where we have the option of the slider. So we will pick this first one, range of values. Click apply and click OK. Now, in order to show this filter on workspace, we are going to right click on that filter, then click show filter. Now the filter has been shown. That being said, now let's move on and drop the product subcategory on rows shelf. Okay, and now you can see that we are not able to see any value. This is because our slider has been not set accordingly. So I will slide this to the maximum value and slide the minimum bar to the minimum value. Now you can see that all values of all types of product subcategory are being displayed here. Now we actually need to display the values of average sales in the second column. For this purpose, I'm going to pick sales from the date plane and drop it on text card. Now you can see that the values are being displayed, but keep that in mind, this is actually the sum of sales, but right now we are interested in average of sale. So I'm going to click on the drop down menu and then go to sum measure and change its measure value from sum to average. Now you can see that the average values have been displayed. Now let's move, let's see how play around with our filter and slider. So I'm going to increase the minimum value in a data set. Now you can see that the only those categories are being displayed that falls within this range of slider. And if I decrease from the maximum to some value, you can also see our Tableau data is being updated accordingly. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in order to teach you how to create filters in Tableau. I will be publishing more videos regarding Tableau, so I request you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon button. Thank you for joining me, and I will catch you soon in the next video.